Hi, it's Dane Scott with a quick look at the Pro-Ject VCE record cleaning machine. You see how dirty this record is. Lots of dust, hair, all kinds of mess on there. We'll put it on. I'm at a bad angle, so it's tough to get it onto the spindle, but we're just about there. There we go. And so the first thing we do is we put this nice kind of rubberized top on, clamp it down in place, which will protect the label against getting wet while we're cleaning. We turn it on in one direction, and then we're going to get a little bit of cleaner. I just put about a third of a capful of this cleaner, which is a diluted cleaner, onto the record, and just kind of spiral it on there. It doesn't have to be real super fancy. And once that's on, then we'll grab the camel hair brush, which has a very soft surface, and angling it into the grooves in the direction the record is turning. We'll let it go about 3 or 4 times around. I tend to let it go actually longer than what they even recommend. It doesn't hurt anything, I don't think, to be a little extra cautious and make sure that we do a good job, get deeply into the grooves. Then we set it in the other direction, and we lay it and angle it the other way, and again, hold it down. By this time, the record is quite wet, so I'll bear down a little harder, too, because I don't worry so much about it actually grinding dirt into the grooves. And then we just taper it off to the side. That also may be an excess of precaution, but that's okay. Next, we swing this over. That's a vacuum, and turn it on, and you can see how immediately it sucks up the not only the moisture, but also the dirt, the dirty water up out of the grooves. Then we switch directions and turn it at least another 3 turns in the other direction. Eventually, I want to put a little dot on there so that I know how many turns I've done. Then we shut it off, and we let it run all the way down before I turn off the motor. And then I'll lift it slowly off so I don't leave a line, and then just power it off. At that point, the record has been cleaned, and we just unscrew. You can see that the label is still nice and dry, and we work it off of there and bring it up to the camera. There's one little speck of dust that picked up, I don't know when, but the rest is absolutely clean and shiny and looks like brand new. So that's a nice process. I really like that Pro-Ject cleaner for cleaning records.